Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan. For those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, what's up?
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.
So you guys, for today's video, we are going to be doing a fall type of makeup look, and of course my brows are already done, so we are just going to jump right into eyes. To prime my eyes, I am using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. Y'all, I like this concealer. It gives good coverage. It's not too thick, or it's not thick at all actually. It's easy to blend. It's a really nice. After prepping my eyes, I am going to go in with the Juvia's Place Afrique eyeshadow palette, beginning with the color Niger. You guys, I love this green color right here. I did not know how I was going to put it on my eye, what other colors to use with it. So y'all, this is me totally going off of the faith of God. I was like, listen, I like this color. Let's go ahead and see what it's gonna look like. Let's see what it's gonna do. And when I started using it, it was a lot, but after blending, I did go in with the shade Kizzy to just, I wasn't really trying to highlight my brow bone, but I just really wanted that green to just blend very well, melt with another color, just look completely seamless, and just very like smooth transition, all of that. So after blending the Niger shade and the Kizzy shade together, it actually kind of turned out all right, if you see what I'm saying. Okay, you know, it didn't look too bad. I was like, okay, let's go ahead and keep going. Let's see what we're gonna do. But yeah, y'all, I like the way these two colors just melt together. Now, after I went in with the shade Niger and Kizzy, I wanted to do some brown. Now, I wasn't expecting it to be this light of a brown, but I was like, okay, we're here now. I don't want to take this eye look off, so let's just go ahead and see what we can do. So I went in with the shade Cameroon. I think it's Cameroon or Cameron, one of the two. But yeah, I just wanted to see how the colors were going to collaborate together, and y'all, I had to trust the process because I wasn't sure that this was looking good. Okay, I wasn't sure that it was looking good. But after adding the shade Cameron to my outer lid, I then went in to cut my crease, and I just been using my concealer just to kind of clean up a little bit, give it like a more smooth base, because the next shade that I'm gonna go in on my eyelid is going to be a shimmery silver type color. So I just wanted to make sure that I had a very clean palette surface, no discoloration, no greens, no tans, no nothing, you know, so that that shade can just fully show through and be itself. Okay, so you guys, the next shade that we are going in with is that silver shimmery shade that I was telling you about. It is called Angelique. I'm just going and I'm adding that to the area that I just added the concealer to clean up on my eyelid, just because I wanted to add something. I wanted to add something to the eyelid, but this was the only color in the palette that was really gonna fit. So Angelique stepped up, showed out. Okay, but after I added that shade Angelique to my eyelid, I went in with that brown color, and just because I wanted everything to again look seamless and just, you know, well put together and collaborate well on my eye, I went in and buffed out that Cameroon color just so that everything could look seamless and just flow. Now, after I finished using the eyeshadow on the eyes, I did go in with my NYX Cosmetics gel eyeliner in the shade Jet Black, and you guys, this eyeliner still pops. Okay, if you're looking for something affordable, that's gonna be your eyeliner. Okay, now if you know, you know, your girl is using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to prime her face. We are then going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now, I like to clean up around the eyeliner, just kind of make sure everything is just looking perfect. You know, I don't want no crazy lines, nothing looking crazy. And then I just went in with the rest of the foundation to add coverage to my full face. Now, before we blend out our foundation, we are going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Prep and Setting Mist just to spray down our face so that the foundation can really set in, and when we add the rest of our product, everything just kind of melts together and gives a very long lasting type of application. Okay, now we are going to go back in with that Maybelline Super Stay concealer in the shade 30, which is also honey, and we are just going to conceal our face, obviously underneath the eyes, the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, and of course I like to do my chin and cheeks, because when I do my contour, baby, I want everything to just look like Naomi Campbell, okay, because that woman's face is amazing. But you guys know that I like to use a brush to blend out all of my products. When I use a brush, I just feel like I have a little bit more control over where the product is being blended, and it gives me a more precise type of look. Everything just looks seamless and very nice, and yeah, I just love it. I love using a brush, okay? Like, I will use a beauty blender or something like that, but a brush, you just can never go wrong with using a brush. After blending out my concealer, I then went in with the Morphe Bake and Set powder in the shade Banana. Now y'all know I've been using my OS pink powder, okay, but I decided to give it a break just for a little bit, and we are going to be going in with the Morphe Set and Bake. Y'all, this is just as good as the OS, I will say. Sometimes I feel like I be looking a little ashy after powder, so I might have to figure out how to change that, but for the most part, I do like the way that this powder blends well with my makeup and everything like that. So what I will say to y'all is that your skincare routine matters, okay? When you are doing your makeup using these powder products or any kind of products, if you have a good skincare routine, your makeup is gonna go on flawless, okay? When you don't have a good skincare routine, products like Set and Bake powder start to crack and crease and look crazy on your face, you know what I'm saying? But speaking of powder, we are going to contour with the ColourPop bronzer in the shade Pacific Beach. You guys, this is another one of my favorite products. I love this bronzer just because it is so easy to blend, it's lightweight, it's affordable, and it is good for everyday wear, okay? It bronzes up my face the way that I need to. It kind of gives me that Fenty Beauty vibe, if you know what I mean. But again, with all of my products, you guys can see that I am not doing any swiping motions. I am just lightly patting the product into my skin just to give a more seamless, natural type of look. And with your contouring and highlighting and stuff like that, you definitely want to make sure that you are using tapping motions and not streaks, because you don't want to have lines on your face, okay? So yeah, everybody say it with me: tap tap tap. Oh, y'all know I'm funny. Now, to highlight our face, we are going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade 100 Molten Gold. Y'all, this right here is the bomb.com, okay? I love the shade of this highlighter. It's kind of like a gold everyday type of wear, and I love that. I love me a good highlighter that I can wear every day. It don't do too much, it don't do too less, it just does what it needs to do, okay? So of course I've added that to the height of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, my chin. Of course I'm going to hit that cupid's bow above the lip and a little bit on the forehead. And yeah, y'all, that is where we're going to highlight. Now, before we add lashes, we are going to go in with some mascara. And y'all, I do plan to give a more detailed tutorial on how to apply lashes and my method. So this right here is going to go pretty quick. I actually don't remember the lashes that I am putting on, but I will look through and see what I can find, and I will link something in the description box below. I don't know which lashes these are, but I'm gonna look for a package or something like that and let y'all know. But yeah, y'all, this right here is the look. This is the eyes, okay? I like it with the eyeliner, the lashes. I just feel like it really brought the entire look together. Now for the lips, we are going in with the Sephora lip pencil in the shade Deep Brown. I actually think this is a an eye pencil, but you know, everything has multiple use. Okay. And as for lipstick, I went in with Juvia's Place shade Lady lipstick, and I put on top of it the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in the shade Sweet Mouth. But y'all, this is the look. I want to thank y'all so much for stopping by my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, also subscribe, and hit that little bell on the side so we can stay connected. Y'all, please let me know what y'all think of this look down in the comments below, and I will see y'all in my next video. Until next time, peace.
You bad like that, you know, but I'm the one that ease your pain. I know.